In today's video, we are going to show you how to make any Edpuzzle video play in full screen so you can watch without distractions. Let's begin. Now, the first thing that you need to do is log in using your teacher account. You can simply go to the YouTube videos available here in Edpuzzle or go to your My Content, which can be found in the left side area of your dashboard, and click the video that you wanted to play in full screen. Now, once you open the video, at the bottom, look on where you can see the full screen icon, which is gonna be like a camera square icon. If you click on it, play the video first, and then click this icon right here, and it will instantly expand to fill your screen. And as you can see, there is like a notification whenever you do that. If you wanted to exit the full screen, just press escape button on your keyboard. All right, it's super simple. Now, the thing is, if you don't see the full screen button right here, okay, try zooming out by pressing Control and the plus button on your keyboard. All right, that's one way using on your browser. Or if you are using a different browser, you might want to make sure that your browser has enabled allowing pop-ups here in Edpuzzle. Okay, so basically that's it for today's video on how to make an Edpuzzle video in full screen mode. Thank you so much for watching. We will see you again in the next one.